Okay, we need tools. Mainly, we're going to need the wheel brace, but not for the reasons you might expect. There's a winch attachment here that winds the spare tyre down. We need to actually lubricate that. So I'm going to get some spray pack chain oil and we're going to do that first. Keep going. Almost there. A couple more turns. Okay, keep going because we've got a bit more to go. Yep, a couple more turns. Alright, we're good. Alright, we've got a little bit of rust going on the inside of the rim. So in lieu of fish oil, we're going to give it just a little bit of chain oil here, just to give it a bit of a coating. And we need to take them out, and we need to get the red jack out. Alright, because of the ground clearance under here, jack points can be difficult. And there's also ants everywhere that are attacking me right now. They're only little black pavement ants, but after a while it gets to be a problem. Yeah, but if you can keep the flies off me, apprentice, it'd be great.
Yeah. Also mosquitoes.
Yep. Do it with both hands. Put it on like that, and you pull the trigger. Okay? Let me show you how loud it is. Ready? Okay? You want to have a go?
Gosh.
Here you go. I'll put it on that one for you. Let me hold these for you for a second. Okay. Now, pull your hair out of the way.
Oh!
Yeah, hold it with both hands, like I said. Keep going. There you go. Want to do the rest of them? Okay.
Oh!
Okay, that's alright. Now, hop out of the way and we'll pull the tyre off. Okay? Lift a bit. Now, you want to roll that up the back, and I'll roll the spare, or the original one back there.
Oh, gosh, help!
It's okay, leave it there. Here's the old one. Now this one we can tell from the wear and the feathering that our alignment has been a bit off. And this one's probably a bit high on the pressure side too, so we may let a little bit out of that and we'll refill it as we go. And you see here, we've got wheel studs need to line up slightly. There we go. Yep. So see how it's got a tapered bit on it? So that bit goes in. That bit goes in that way, not that way. Okay? Yep. Wrong way. You had it the wrong way. That's the right way. Yep. There you go. You can do this. Use both hands. Put one hand on the battery pack. One hand there. Do it up. Okay. Do that one. Okay, we do it in a star pattern. So the pressure's even. Not so quick. You wait until it's all on properly.
Oh.
And then push the button. Okay. Here you go. Now do it. Yep. And then we go this way. Okay. Do that one again. And then do this one. Okay. And that one's loose. Okay, now we give them a quick, just a single burst on 3. Yep. Okay. And that one. Yep. And wait. That one. Okay. They all look good. We'll change the tyre and now we take it off the jack and we check the tyre pressure. So back up a sec, get your feet out of the way, we'll take it off the jack. Alright, now we've got the apprentice clear. We'll let the jack down slowly. Yeah, I need to put a little bit of air in that tyre, but that's okay. I'm probably running them a little over pressure. These ones are running at 60 psi all around when In reality, the front ones probably need to run slightly lower. So roll that round, we'll plonk it on the ground behind the rear. There we go. So now, we go like this.
Plonk.
Okay. Not ready yet, you've still got some more winding to do.
Right. Now we're gonna need a helper.
You are the helper. Wrong way, other way. Yep.
It would be much easier with the key.
Oh, well, you've got to lock the door. Well, where did you put the key? It's on the ground still. Hang on, wait. Wait. Okay, now you can wind up. Alright. Here we go. Sounds better than it did with a bit of oil in it. You'll be right. Here we go.
Not enough. Oh, stop!
No, not quite.
Stop!
Needs to be firm so it doesn't rattle out. There we go. Okay. So I've got, oh, we need our jumper leads. We've got to roll them up too before we put them in. You gotta be careful, you can get, from slugs and snails, you can get certain parasites that aren't great for you.
Right. Right.
Okay, got one of our sponsors, grit mitts here, really great for getting all the grease and grime and stuff off your hands. It's good stuff. We use it every day now, because we're usually doing this stuff every day.
Gosh.
Alright, so on here there's a couple of different repainted markings that say 325 kPa. It's about 47 psi or around about 50, something like that. I've been running these at 60 at the advice of the tyre service joint, and I'm noticing the central part of the tread is wearing much more than the outer part. So I think probably 60 is too high, and it does feel too high, to be honest. Nothing else I run runs that high. So we'll drop that back down a bit. We'll drop it to about 50. Meanwhile, the rear tyres, they're wearing pretty well. So I think I'll leave them at the more elevated pressure. But yeah, it's definitely, and these do actually have 450 kPa here, which is closer to that pressure. So I think we'll drop the fronts down just a little bit.